Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to unblock someone from WhatsApp. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this WhatsApp, and now on the top you'll find these three dots. Tap on this and now go to settings. After that you can see here is privacy. Tap on this. After that you'll find this interface. Scroll down and now over here you'll find this blocked contacts. Tap on this and after that you'll find all the blocked contacts over here. Now I have two of them over here. Now to unblock them, just tap on this and now you can see unblock this number. Just tap on this and now you can see this number is unblocked. So in this simple way, we can unblock someone from WhatsApp. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.